Hi, Jason Keeler here, the Property Review Show. Good to see you. We're in West Palm Beach, Florida. Oh, yes. And this is a goodie. This is real good. Thanks for joining me. Please subscribe if you can. Help us build this channel up. We appreciate that. Look at it now. It is fantastic. Terracotta roof. Beautiful plants. The swimming pool is great as well. A lap pool, but wider than a lap pool. And beautiful gardens. I mean, what's not to like about this pristine home near the beach, near the water side, the coastal waterways, and there we have it. I mean, what's not exciting about that? They've been very clear where it is. There's the arrow. Can you see it? Oh, over that way. And I'm all over the place today. But terracotta roof, the Spanish style that is so traditional with the United States, and just a great position. The gardens, stunning. Look at this. Beautiful shrubberies and trees. We've got these creepers climbing up the side of the plaster rendered finished building with that Spanish feel, and we're seeing this incredible $27 million property, and it is super. Look at this archway in a black finish and black framing there again, which is so popular, as I say on these shows, with the $1 million mansions. Black framing, black taps, black door handles. It's all the rage on interior design at the moment, and you'll see it being copied in the lower priced homes around the country as well. So there we are into the entrance hallway, that arched doorway there, beautiful frame, some nice artwork, beams in the ceiling, and there we go, black frames again coming through this doorway. Beautiful big doors heading out to the landing, and this cool, groovy piece of artwork in blue and white and red. It really is quite divine. Loving the light fitting there too, or the lamp I should say, looking through the black frame doors, and just a lovely entrance. This is really an immaculate home. Look at the pristine finish on it. And that's why it's asking $27 million, plus its prime location to the water makes it in the top parts of real estate in Florida, of course. We see a beautiful writing bureau here, very long, black with some gold paint included on the legs there. And beams in the ceiling, integrated speakers up there as well, and some lovely furnishings with views out to the garden. Really is pristine. It's a perfect home of condition. Some lovely stonework around the fireplace and inset in a black granite too, so very nice too. Looking at the shop the other way round, some very nice cushions, giving it that color just to pop it out, and that's a simple way to do that. Imagine relaxing here and unwinding. It really is the lifestyles of the rich and famous for sure. Archways here we see on our veranda area, beautiful Spanish look out over the palm trees, and that amazing pool to do the laps in. We've got checkered tiles on the floor here, but it's all classy. The fans look great too, an amazing light fitting here. Loving the lime chair of yesteryear, retro like grandma used to have. The retro chairs to lounge, they're so comfortable, and they are funky for sure. Big long bench seat here, almost like a church pew, but in the modern fabric, and just fantastic. Lovely room as well. An excellent staircase going up. Use of render here as well. And then an amazing sculpture of a man just here too. Nice runner going up there as well. Gives it that warmth, welcoming feeling. An amazing light fitting there too. Orange room popping here with this quite incredible color. Bringing it all together. Lots of nice artworks too. Look at this timber paneling. Lovely detail as we look out this traditional framed window. It really is a house that you don't expect. It's a different style. It is quite unique. And that paneling going all the way along with ridges in. Then this curvature here in the frontage. And then green retro chairs again. And an amazing piece of artwork up here for sure. There we have that window seat. And this incredible light fitting as well. I'm using the word incredible a lot because this home is quite different. It is very different for the modern styles, but it's classy. San Diego, or Florida should I say. Kitchen we go, stone bench top, a beautiful gray vane, and again, lovely light fittings, a door out to this palm tree area which looks refreshing, gas hob, big extractor, big stainless fridge freezer as well, and a very convenient shelf up here, bringing the study area into the kitchen, which is quite unique as well. But they've made it work And there's those ridges again, or indents here on all of this material coming down the side of the butler's pantry. And what a beautiful butler's pantry with stone in black and white vein there too. Big piece of artwork on the left, these Art Deco style lights as well. As we look around this incredible home, it is simply beautiful. Purple, violet actually. Violet color used here. And then we see pitched roof with lovely beams, big French doors, archway, and lovely drapes coming down. It is all come together. Plush rug there too, and look at the view out. We haven't even seen the water yet, and we're already impressed with the whole home as we head around it. It is pristine, and that is what this home is all about. Walk-in robe, looking fabulous, lots of room for everything, makeup dressing table here, and big cupboards and more. Practical and beautiful. Double basins with stone benchtop, big seat in the shower. That's a huge seat in there. And we've got a handheld shower head here, another one up here, and LED lighting used throughout this bathroom. Very impressive. Outdoors we go. There's the pool shower, and it looks classy on this tall wooden post, and then a concrete below. Nicely framed courtyard area for privacy. Back inside again, looking at those French doors and this cool artwork there. Lovely wood floors throughout this house. Time to watch TV. Here's your own mini theater. And there's the sea. There's the inlet coming in, the waterways coming in. Looking beautiful indeed. Pitched roof, lovely study area, relaxing, unwinding, but also working. Looking out over this amazing view, and look at these chairs. Just stellar. There's a fabric type wallpaper there with detail, and it's just a lovely home. Imagine working here, living here, the location, the prime position, the pristine quality and condition of this home all comes together to create an amazing environment. This is the life of the rich and famous, and this is how they live in these classy homes, upmarket. We've got some bougainvillea on the right here, very nice, and of course, lovely use of tiles and more as we look out to the waterway here at West Beach, and what a fabulous example. There's the pool. Oh yes, it's selling itself, and what a wonderful use of plants to green grass, the green grass of home, as Tom Jones would say. Beautiful shrubberies here. We've got an agave, a couple of agaves, and we've got box hedges around too, originating from England and France. Fire pit at the back, and the beautiful palms of Florida out there too. There's your box hedge, done in an artistic way with the landscaper who we're so proud of. But look at this paneling here. Stunning, stunning, stunning. There's where the box seat was. Great use of render and tiles. It's classy. And there we see the gym as well. The split system air conditioning, very good idea in the gym. There's that paneling. Wonderful indeed. And a beautiful entrance to park in. And there's our position on the water. Fantastic. Love this home. There we have it. What a piece of history there as well. And wonderful position. Satellite view, ramping up, and a big home indeed. What are we talking? We're talking $27 million. West Palm Beach, Florida, 33401, 5,423 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and it is delicious. Built in 2020. We love it. Hope you enjoyed that one. I certainly did. Please subscribe. We'd love your support. Please watch the next video, and we'll catch you as we look at more properties here and around the world each week. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.